Hi all. In this video, we'll see about how to install SQL Server Management Studio. We'll also call this one as SSMS. See, generally, this SSMS is going to work as a client application, which is used to connect to SQL Server. Generally, in the real-time projects, the servers will be there in a client location, and the users will be working in different locations. And based on that, we'll be connecting that. Yeah, here is a way how it will be there after installing of this SMS. Let's say you have some 4 users, those who need to connect to SQL Server 2022. They're having their SMS installed in each and every machine, and they'll be connecting to SQL Server. Here user 1 need to get the SQL Server name, which is going to connect, and the username, password. And every user need to get the same server name, username, password, then you'll be able to connect. Then once it is connected, you'll be able to write queries like select, insert, update, delete. All the queries you'll be able to write, and you'll be getting response as well. See, not only this SMS, we'll be able to use Java, .NET, and Angular. Multiple applications will be able to use to connect to this SQL Server as well. But SMS is one of the client application to connect to server. So it is the same or similar way like how we are connecting the Gmail to the server. You want to just see the mails in your inbox or send all the folders. Same how we are using the browser to connect to server. Same way here we'll be using SMS to connect to your server. We'll see now how to install this. I just go here. We have this link, or else you can type directly in Google like installing SMS or SQL Server Management Studio. Then it will be displaying. Just a second. It will be installing. It will be coming that window. I just see here. You'll be able to download this. So once you are downloading, then you'll be getting the software like this. SMS setup.enu. Once you double click on the setup, you'll be getting the window like this. Okay. Then you need to say install. Once you did install, then it will be in progress mode. Once it is progressed, it will when it is in progress, it will show like this. And once it is almost completed, then it will show like this, setup completed. And you'll be able to connect to your server. See here, right, there is a button which is used to connect to your server. See here, based on the server which is given by our client, that one will be using, and you can say connect. It will display what are the different the databases, all those things are available in our server. Those will be displaying. And here there is a menu which is there. This is called as icon menu generally. In this multiple icons will be there here, like save as, new query, DML, or the MDS query you want to write here. All those things will be able to get, and the read one also will be able to do here. And this is DB, like generally whenever you are connecting to the query window by taking a new query, it will indicate that which DB you connected and which server you connected, and here which DB, which user also which is connected, it will display here. And then you can write the queries based on the requirement. And here we have a file menu. In the file menu we have the multiple things like recent projects, recent files, all those things available. And in the edit menu we have many options. In the view menu also we have the template browser, template explorer, it is template explorer, solution explorer, all those things are there here. Or else you can directly just see in the right side. This solution explorer, it will be coming when you're creating a project in SQL Server to hold query files. Then it will be coming here. And then template browser. Here we have many query templates. Let's say you want to create a table, don't know the syntax. Okay, then we can just click on this. Now click on this, it will just show how to create a table with some sample. It will show you, see, create table, the schema name, and then table name, and all the columns. That kind of sample it will be displaying. If you know directly, then you can use that. Okay, this way it will go. And yeah, see here, for more information you can just check in Google what is this Object Explorer template and all those things you can check. Yeah, that is about SSMS. Thank you.